Hey there, Heather Boyd here, and welcome to day 3 of the 10-day art bookmark making challenge. Be sure to check the description below to join the Facebook event page and share pictures of your beautiful bookmarks. At the end of the 10 days, I'll be putting together a slideshow of all the viewers' creations based on the challenges. Today we're making letter and word bookmarks. I'm sketching it out with a pencil first on Bristol board or cardstock, and then I'm going in with my micro pens and drawing flowers inside the shape of the letter. So you can use a Sharpie or micro pens, anything you like. I'll link up all the materials I use in the description of the videos. And you can look up pictures of flowers to go by. I'm doing roses and daisies and all kinds of different flowers and the leaves as well. For this one, I'm filling in the whole letter with flowers. Try to vary the size of the flowers to make it more interesting and do as many different kinds of flowers as you like. I did little tulips as well. Make some little leaves, little tiny flowers and larger flowers, and just fill in the whole area of the letter. I'll work on some templates and put them in the description of the tutorials. So just go in, fill it in as you need. You could do a little shading in there if you want as well. And then you'll just color it in with colored pencils. So for the next one, I'm doing the whole word, read, in the same way, making the letters a little smaller and putting them in a vertical format. So the same idea, we're just going to do a few little flowers this time though, kind of as a center focal point in the letter. So maybe about 5 flowers or something and a few little leaves. Again, make a bit of variety. And then after that, we're just going to outline the letter. So we'll just do the outline with the micro pens, do a little bit of variety of width of the lines to make it interesting. And we're just going to trace out the outline and then erase all your pencil marks after, and then you can color them in, again with color pencils, or if you prefer with watercolors or inks or markers, any materials you have on hand you can use. So I'm just going to color in the flowers and the leaves now. Just doing solid colors is fine. This would look really nice with some brighter markers as well. So we just want to color in all the flowers, and I did all the letters different colors. So for this one, we're doing sort of an illuminated letter at the top with a quote, all done with the micro pens. I laminated it as I did in a previous tutorial. I'll link that one up below. Just clip the ends, poke a little hole at the top. You can put a tassel if you like as well. Sky's the limit with this project. Thanks so much for watching and for participating in the 10-day art bookmark making challenge. Be sure to share photos of your work in the Facebook event page. I'll link it up in the description below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for lots more art videos and tutorials. And we'll see you the next time.